Hello everyone, today we're going to make
a vanilla cake with chocolate frosting on top. Firstly, we add 100 grams of butter inside a bowl.
We'll add 100 grams of sugar. Add 2 eggs into a bowl. Small bowl.
Yeah. There we go. It's 1 egg. There we go. It's 2 eggs.
Then you add the eggs one by one.
We'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Then you scrape the sides.
Then we sift the flour into the bowl. Then you mix the flour gently into the mixture. Then we add 2½ tablespoons of milk.
Mix the milk into the mixture. Then we put the mixture into a buttered cake tin.
And then you flatten the top. Put the cake mixture in a 180 degrees preheated oven. Cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Test if the cake is ready by poking a knife inside of it. If it comes out clean, it is ready. Look closely. The edges of the cake have separated from the tin. Convert the cake onto a cooling rack.
Cool until completely cold. Melt some chocolate with cream and butter and let it cool. And slowly whip in the butter. Put all of the butter in. Cut your cake in half and then add some icing. Spread it evenly all over the surface. Half on. Cover the cake with the rest of the frosting. Decorate your cake as you want. Add some marshmallows if you want.
Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe.